Yes, this is a table. This is a table. Okay, which picture is this? This is a chair. This is a chair. Which picture is this? This is a wall clock. This is a wall clock. And we check the time from the wall clock. This is a green board. This is a green board. And who will tell me which picture is this? These are books. These are books. This is a computer. This is a computer and we work on it. Which picture is this? This is an eraser. This is an eraser. And which picture is this? You all know. Very nice. This is a pencil. This is a pencil. This is a ruler. This is a ruler. Which picture is this? This is a water bottle. Water bottle. And this is a lunch box. Which picture is this? This is a lunch box. And we keep our lunch in it. This is a scissors. This is a scissors. And you can't use scissors without adult permission. Okay? This is a school bag. School bag. School bag. And this is a whiteboard. Whiteboard. And teacher writes lesson on this board. And which picture is this? This is a pencil case. This is a pencil case. And which picture is this? These are color pencils. These are color pencil. Who likes to do coloring? Good, you all like to do coloring. This is a notebook. What is this? This is a notebook and we write our lesson in it.